Alright, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Mayo.
And this is Unboxing Time with the Ramen Rater, the show where we show you what comes in the...
Mayo.
Today we've got a box from...
Singapore.
That's right, it's another box from Prima Taste of Singapore. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Last time they sent a gift for my daughter Miriam, and I'm guessing this time they sent one for you, dude. What do you think of that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow.
That's nice of them. A nice Prima Group calendar for 2019. Thank you. A Prima planner for 2019.
Oh, geez.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm not completely sure what this one is. It kind of looks like a luggage tag. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. They sent you a Merlion shirt, dude. I'm jealous. Look. It has Merlion on it. Yeah. Here, look. This is like the national, don't want to say mascot, but this is like, if you know about Singapore, this is like a very, very identifiable icon of Singapore. There's a statue of the Merlion. It's like a fishing lion. It's a fountain, and these are all little different multicolored ones for that. So you got a Merlion shirt. Say thank you.
Thank you.
And finally, the main thing that they wanted to get over to me, this is their new recipe prawn soup. I've tried it a couple times before. Not bad. But this is a new recipe. They're promising wow, wow, wow. So yeah, I'll definitely give this a try. Well, thank you very much to the folks over at Prima Taste for sending this over. And this has been Hans, and this has been... Alright, well, this has been Hans, and that was Miles. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles
Every day.
every day. Have a good one.